Uncle makes math easy. Ratta banat samajhna shuru karo. Math Uncle makes math easy.
Hi friends, welcome to Math Uncle. Today we'll be learning about circle and pi, and knowing the value of pi is very important if you want to go anywhere in maths. So how do you remember the value of pi? Simple, I'll just give you a dialogue and like everybody falls in love, and like people like me, when we were young, when we fell in love, we didn't even know English कैसे बोलते थे, क्या बोलते थे, कैसे भी बोल के, जैसे मैंने बोल दिया you, I like, I adore, señorita. I've just told you the value of pi. You is 3 words, I is 1 word, like is 4 words, 3.14 is the value of pi. Let's go a little bit forward also. I adore 1, 5, señorita. Señorita is with 2 A's because जरा ज़्यादा प्यार से बुला लिया तो 2 A लगा दिए, तो it's 9 letters. So that's the value of pi. Or no, I prefer 3.14, and that is what is used. You I like. Say it with heart. You'll remember it. And for my international students who are watching, if you don't understand what this thing is all about, just say how I wish I could calculate pi. Count the letters. It's the value of pi. Now, I'll also teach you the formula of our circumference, finding the circumference and the area of a circle in a very funny way. We talked about señorita and how I like her, and in fact I'll ask her to explain circle and diameter, and I'll be back with some solutions to the problems of how to find out circumference and area. But for now, over to señorita, who will give you an explanation.
Thanks for the detailed explanation, Mr. Carla. Here is the review of circles and what is pi by Math Uncle team. Circle is a set of all points on a plane that are equidistant from the center point. Radius is the distance from the center of a circle to any other point on the perimeter of that circle. Diameter is the distance across a circle. It is twice as long as radius, drawn in exactly the opposite direction. The diameter of a circle divides it into 2 semicircles. Each half of a circle is called a semicircle. Circumference is the distance around the circle. The length of the words may help you remember. Radius is the shortest word and shortest measure, 6 letters. Diameter is double the radius, 8 letters. Circumference is the distance around the circle, 13 letters. A line that goes from one point to another on the circle's circumference is called a chord, where an arc is a part of a circumference. There are 2 main slices of a circle. The pizza slice is called a sector. The quadrant and semicircle are 2 special types of sectors. Quarter of a circle is called quadrant. And the slice which is cut from the circle by a chord, a line between 2 points on the circle, is called a segment. Pi is the ratio of 2 different distances on a circle, circumference to diameter of a circle. Its rounded off value is 3.14. Please note that pi will be the same number, irrespective of the size of the circle, as it's a ratio.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Ratta banat samajhna shuru karo. Math Uncle makes math easy.